Welcome to TBK Career Point. So here is internship opportunity from Kirana Club. So we are Kirana Club and we are on a mission to revolutionize how FMCG companies connect with India's 15 million Kirana stores. We are building LinkedIn for Kiranas and have over 2 million Kiranas on our digital network. Leading brands like Marico, PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, Wipro, Britannia and Adani. So they are having different kinds of open positions you can see here. So these are the different type of positions. So if you are interested to apply for it, you can go through all. Founders office intern 30,000 per month. Work from office Bangalore location. If you want to apply, you can click here. Fill the form. And next program management intern Bangalore 20,000 per 25,000 per month. You can apply if you want. So by clicking the link here. On product intern 30,000 per month, you can apply. We are interested. Marketing intern 25,000 per month. These all are work from office only. Bangalore location, you can apply if you are interested. So the eligibility also they mentioned pursuing bachelor's degree. Reactive native intern 40,000 per month. You can go through the details. And full stack intern 40,000 per month. So these are the opportunities are available. This link will be posted in the description box. If you are interested, you can apply for it and share the link those who are in need and like the video without fail for better reach.